Hey friends, this is Marcia with M. Jones Style. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing my 2018 Spring Tablescape with you. And I'm really excited because what I did this time is I set the table as if I were going to have my girlfriends over for tea and coffee and a slice of my $1 million pound cake. So let me go ahead and show you how I set the table. I pulled out all of my collection of my teacups and saucers, and so at each place setting I put a placemat, a dessert plate, and a teacup and saucer, and then a napkin. And I will show you my collection. I'm really excited about it and I love my collection. I've been collecting for quite some time. This right here is Old Country Rose, and this is actually my china set. My mother gave that to me when I got married. And then here is another one here. And I'll go around the table, but before I do that, I wanted to show you that I set out a creamer and sugar for this place area here. And then I placed out the teapots, and I added some Trader Joe's flowers. And there's that delicious $1 million pound cake that I can't wait to have a bite of. And then here is another creamer and sugar. And then another teacup and saucer here. And then as I go around the table, you'll see that I have placed a different teacup and saucer at each place setting. This is my favorite one. And that's basically all I did. I just kept it really simple and basic. I didn't add a lot of extra things to the table like I normally do. I think sometimes simple is best. And so here is a final view. And if you want the recipe to this $1 million pound cake, which I got from Southern Living, I'll have it on my blog at www.mjonesstyle.com. Otherwise, thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, please press the like button, and if you haven't already joined our family, I would love for you to do so. Have a wonderful day. Thank you guys for watching. Bye, y'all.